Hi, I'm Roman and this is all about happy painting. Welcome to some miniature art hobby fun with me, Roman Lappat. In this video I will show you how you can use parts of the fruit called lychee to create awesome material for conversions. It is time for dragon skin, not foreskin. It's always great to have options to change our models, right? Sculpting fur and beard for Viking Space Marines, or a drill to drill your gun barrels or something like that. So there are many conversions out there. I'd call them basics in the meantime if you look on the social medias. This is different. Feel invited to subscribe to the channel for more happy painting miniature painting wisdom. You can try to sculpt some dragon skin. Well, I tried to sculpt dragon skin and will not show it to you here. Even this bathroom carpet looked better than my sculpting try. Instead of sculpting it, you can use this hobby hack with a fruit called lychee. Lychee. Here is what you need to convert your miniatures with this miniature dragon skin hack. You need super glue, your hobby blade, nail scissors, a toothpick, and of course your models, plus lychees. The lychee is a fruit that grows on a tropical tree in South China, Malaysia, or northern Vietnam. You might find these fruits in your grocery store, depending where you live. I cannot promise to you that you will find yours in your grocery store. The lychee. You either like or dislike the taste and consistency of the lychee. Some say they taste lovely, others feel like chewing on an eyeball. Tastes are different. If you do not like them, find someone who likes them or give them away as a gift. Important is that you get hold of their skin and then press and dry it, because we will create dragon skin from it. You can dry it by air in room's temperature and in the round shape of the fruit. I often do some of these, but more efficient for our miniature projects are the ones that are pressed flat and dry. Do not use them undried, as the water inside might react with superglue or primers later on. Take some lychee skin between two tissues. They will soak up the water, and then put weight on top of it for 24 to 48 hours. Done. You now have a lot of conversion material ready for your projects. Many of you will ask how I seal the lychee skin. Well, I do not seal them in any way. I use my regular primer and the paint and the varnishes that go on top of that. I call this sealed. There are many more options to seal natural material with poly something, science stuff, and I can tell you Google knows more about it for you. How to apply it? Well, this is now super easy. Use your hobby blade and cut the pieces you need in the shape you need. Glue them with super glue wherever you want to glue them. Not that they are dry, they might break here and there, but do not worry, you can just glue it in place, and if it breaks, glue some more and follow the shape of the object by pressing it down. Use your toothpick for detailed placement of superglue or lychee parts. You will quickly realize that even different parts from different lychees connect well. On this larger dwarf miniature I also wanted to have a lizard or dragon head included. I used another miniature's head, in this case from a board game called Massive Darkness, cut it in size and included it with the lychee parts. See for yourself. Here are some examples where lychee skin, dragon skin, was glued in place. They already look very cool when primed. Painted, they look even cooler. Here are some examples. In 2014 I encountered the use of this skin already while I was building a wasteland fallout robot that hunts dragon lizards in the atomic wasteland. My friend Raffaele Picca was also inspired by that idea that he even sculpted a bust with a dragon head. You see, this already has some history and now finally a YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed the video and will use a lot of dragon skin conversions on your miniatures in the future. I believe it could work great for Warhammer Chaos models too. What do you think? Tell me in the comments for which miniatures you think this would fit well, and if you will use it. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like the content I produce and want to support me, you can find some affiliate links below, wonderful tutorial ebooks and art prints on Etsy, plus actual work in progress insights via my Patreon. All links below. Thank you for your support. Roman out, keep on happy painting, bye bye.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!
Let's sculpt some dragon skin. And after giving it a... Fuck it. Let's sculpt some dragons. Let's sculpt some dragon skin. Dragon skin. Dragon skin, not foreskin. Dragon skin. It is time for foreskin.